testing system powered by IDP to check the level of the students. My name is Deepak and I am taking the interview of Gagan Job Dhiman, candidate number 653. Okay Gagan, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Gaganjot Dhiman. I am from Mandiga, Bengal, which is Asia's #1 state town. People call it Steel City. Recently, I have completed my senior secondary education from Sanfrey Public School and I got 95% in art stream. And now I am pursuing my IELTS test.
Does your name have some special meaning?
Yes, my name has special meaning. Gagan means, my first name Gagan means heaven, and Jyot means rays. Together it means heaven rays.
Is your name important to you?
Yes, name is very important for me as it's my identity that someone call me which someone call me by my name.
Do Indian people like changing their names?
Not all of the people like changing their names, but if I talk about some people like to change their names when they got married.
Have you ever changed your name? Why or why not?
No, I have never changed my name as I consider it as a gift of my parents. I suppose not to change my name in future too.
Let's talk about traffic. How do most people travel to work where you live?
Most of the people travel a lot, but in my hometown there is less traffic in the morning, but at evening times there is very much traffic.
What traffic problems are there in your area?
There are not that much traffic problems in my area. If I talk about on roads, then there are little bit traffic problem, but on streets there are no traffic.
How do traffic problems affect you?
Well, traffic problems affect in many different ways, like due to which birth of new diseases will cause, like birth to cardiovascular diseases, sleeping aches, headache, and many more.
Let's talk about happiness. What is happiness according to you?
Happiness is a state of comfort which one can feel. Happiness for me is a gesture of love.
How can you give happiness to others?
Well, I can give happiness to others by by flaunting some jokes and by telling some good news, so that which make them happy.
Do you think people in your area are happy?
I can't predict all of those, but according to my perspective, most of the people are happy in their lives, whereas others are not.
Okay Gagan, this is the end of part 1 of your speaking. Let's move to the part 2. This is a TUCA topic. You have 1 minute to clear this topic, and after that you have to speak for 2 minutes. You can also make notes if you want. Do you want to make notes?
Yes, sir. about a beautiful sky that I observed, I have been gone to many places, but the place that where I saw a beautiful sky was Shimla. When I last time when I went for vacations, I went to Shimla with my family. Going for traveling alone is not in my cup of tea. I prefer to travel with my parents as well as with my friends too. But friends too. When I went over there, I went to so many places. But the thing that fascinated me a lot was the sunrise and sunset point. At the evening around 9 p.m. We go to see the to see the sky when go to watch the sky me and my brother counts the sees the twinkling of stars, as well as we count the stars. Also these fascinate me a lot. I want to spend more time over there, but due to some conditions I have to came back with my brother. Even though apart from this, I usually go upstairs to my house and watch sky daily with my father, as I like to spend time at looking sky and counting the twinkling of stars. And also I love to see the moon with my father, as I am really very close to him. At that time I want to share my feelings as well as my problems with him, as he also feels relaxed when we see the sky at night. Besides this, I am also attached with my mother too. We usually sit together on the upper roof of the house and enjoy gossiping with each other and sharing problems with each other too. This is the thing that this is the place that I saw the sky many times.
Let's talk about stars. Do people in your country often look at stars?
Yes, people in my country often look at stars. Many people take it as a stress buster. It feels, whenever we see the stars, we feel calm and relaxed.
Why it is important to explore space?
Exploring space is very important because it has its own importance in our life. Exploring sky tells us about the continents. As I know, as I read a book when I was in 10th standard, I used to read books on skies.
Will we find life on other planets?
Sorry, sir.
Will we find life on other planets?
No. Life on other planets would not be possible. As there is no water and oxygen over there.
Okay, the scientists are working very hard to find life on other planets. According to you, will they succeed or not?
Yes, scientists are doing very hard training to explore life on other planets. If we talk about the movie Mission Mangal, in that movie they search on Mars for the survival. Yes, it is possible to survive on other planets, as scientists are doing their best.
When will humans live on other planets?
Future is uncertain. We can't predict it. But whenever the terms and conditions was clear and satisfied, then we can go and live there.